If you're working on an electric three-wheel bike project or looking for a compatible replacement motor, the BM1418ZXF 48V 500W brushless DC gear motor is an interesting option to consider. This motor is designed around a 48-volt electrical system and has a rated power output of 500 watts. It uses a brushless DC design combined with a geared configuration, making it suitable for compatible electric vehicle applications where the motor, controller, battery, and drivetrain are properly matched. The 48V specification is one of the first things you need to consider. This motor should be used with an electrical system designed for its rated voltage. The 500W rating represents its power class, but actual performance will depend on the complete vehicle setup. That means factors such as battery condition, controller output, total vehicle weight, while size, gearing, road surface, and inclines can all affect acceleration, speed, torque, and efficiency. So you shouldn't judge the motor's real-world performance based on wattage alone. The brushless DC design is another important feature. Unlike traditional brushed motors, brushless motors don't rely on conventional physical brushes for their operation. This can reduce brush-related wear and makes brushless technology common in many electric mobility applications. The geared design is also worth paying attention to. The gearing influences how motor speed and torque are transferred to the drivetrain. For an electric three-wheel bike, the correct relationship between motor, gearing, wheels, and controller is essential for achieving the expected performance. This particular setup is also listed with a key throttle kit. That gives you an additional control component for the electric drive system. However, always verify the exact contents of the package and make sure the throttle and motor are compatible with the controller and wiring used in your vehicle. If you're replacing an existing motor, compatibility should be your first priority. Compare the voltage, power rating, motor dimensions, mounting holes, shaft design, wiring, connectors, and controller requirements. Two motors can have identical 48V and 500W ratings but still be incompatible because of differences in their physical or electrical specifications. For a new electric three-wheel bike build, remember that the motor is only one part of the system. The battery provides power, the controller regulates that power, the throttle sends the control input, and the drivetrain transfers the motor output to the wheels. Proper installation is equally important. Electrical connections should be secure and appropriately insulated, while the motor needs to be mounted correctly. Always follow the manufacturer's specifications and use compatible electrical components. It's also important to understand that 500 watts doesn't automatically determine a vehicle's maximum speed or hill climbing ability. Those results depend on the complete configuration and operating conditions. Overall, the BM1418ZXF 48V 500W brushless DC gear motor is designed for suitable electric three-wheel bike and electric vehicle applications. Its 48V operation, 500W rating, brushless construction, geared configuration, and key throttle kit make it worth considering for a compatible setup. Before choosing this motor, check all specifications carefully and confirm that the electrical and mechanical requirements match your project. For more information about the BM1418ZXF 48V 500W brushless DC gear motor with key throttle kit, visit the link provided in the description.